I have PUBG Mobile here. I'm going to show you two ways where you can change your POV, point of view. So you can change it to first person perspective, or you can do third person perspective. Okay, so you can also do it in game. Okay, but if you're out of the game, the first way is this. So if I'm out of a game here, the one you got to do is tap on select mode right there. And then from here, if you look in the bottom here, it says TPP or FPP. Okay, so you got first person perspective and third person perspective. Now, if you're in a game, let me go into a game really fast. Okay, so I'm like waiting for the game to start here, but once the game starts, I'm going to be able to switch from down here. So give this 1 second. Okay, now I'm flying here. Now I do need to land first. So let me go ahead and land first. Okay, I'm getting ready to land. As soon as I land, boom, this here just popped up. Okay, FPP, first person view, boom, or third person view. There's this little round thing down here. Boom, boom. Good luck, guys.